Yung buntag sa tanan, especially yung tiga dire sa Cagayan de Oro and sa buong Pilipinas. Mayong buntag, mayong gandang umaga po.
So, Coach, kumusta yung stay mo dito? 2-day stay mo dito sa Cagayan de Oro bago yung event natin?
Actually, yeah, sila Lexi and Aries, mga 3-day stay. But for me, I'm always here weekly. So, for this week, I've been here for 5 days na siya.
604 Lexi Darmitario.
Kumusta yung performance ni Lexi at ni Aries kanina?
Okay naman. Actually, ito siya. It's an experience lang na gusto namin may magawa nila, maintrahan nila ba. So, never have they run or join any run event or duathlon event. Alam ko naman na isa sa pinakamahirap na race ay yung duathlon kasi magra-run ka, magbabike, then magra-run ulit. Yung second run is always, I know, is always the most difficult. So, but more or less, gintry naman kasi I want them to come to Cagayan, touch base with the cycling community here. Kasi nga, this will be our second home sa Cagayan because our business is already here in Cagayan. One of our business po ay nasa Cagayan de Oro dito po sa Dansoleon. So, gusto ko mag-touch base sila Lexi, Aries here. So, nagkataon na meron duathlon, especially sa isang napakagaling na organizer na si Mike Clapp. Sabi ko, yes, I talked to them. Gusto niyo ba mag-join ng duathlon kahit na wala kayong experience? I know it will be tough, but for me naman nasa kung anong experience na bago is always good for all of us. Siyempre, any experience that will test our limits, will test our comfort zone is also good. Good for our body, good for our mind, good for our soul. Parang ganun po yung mindset namin why they join this duathlon. Kahit na I think sa run training, nag-crash course kami sa running. Before this race, they were able to run maybe around 3 to 4 times lang. Just a crash course, prepare their body for the run. And then so far so good naman. They were last run during the first 5-kilometer run. Parang nasa dulo sila, ang bibilis ng mga babae mag-run. But we expected that. Sabi ko, let's not burn ourselves on the run. Sa bike, let's just maintain a good din. Ang problema yung iniisip ko yung third run eh. Ayoko na, gusto ko matapos nila yung race kasi baka kung ma-overpace sila sa first 2 legs ay the third run, it will really be painful. So far so good, hindi sila nagka-konting cramps na sila sa third sa run, pero they were able to finish the race. So overall, it was a great experience for them. Maybe in the future, kapag meron duathlon ulit na hindi naman sagabal po sa training nila sa mountain bike or sa schedule nila, we would like na mag-join pa rin sila palagi ng duathlon. Especially siguro kung meron off-road duathlon.
Permanent ka ba itong transition nila ni Aries at ni Lexi?
No, hindi. No. They will always be mountain biking talaga. Cross-country mountain biking ang focus nila. Maybe later part of the year, maybe in Europe kasi may nag-invite sa kanila, sa amin doon, baka they will go into cyclocross as cross-training sa mountain bike. So far doon lang. And maybe later next year, downhill enduro din. So yun po yung mga plans namin for them. Those XCO mountain bike, cross-country, and then enduro or downhilling. Then maybe next year baka Lexi wants to join also sa nationals ng road bike. Pero sa duathlon hindi kasi hindi sila talaga nagra-run. Meron lang kami mga paminsan-minsan run just to improve their posture on the bike. Maganda kasing running eh. Ang benefit ng running for a cross-country mountain biker or a cyclist is yung ma-maintain mo yung posture mo for let's say long 2-hour race. So yun lang, that's the reason why we run during training. Pero kung meron magandang schedule ng duathlon, why not? Yun.
Regular on the leg 4 kasi nandito yan mangyayari dito sa
Yes.
first time in Mindanao dito
Sa Surigao. Yes.
So ano mga preparations ni Lexi at ni Aries sa darating na Asian Mountain Bike Series?
Okay, kasi ang focus talaga namin is XCO. That's why we make it a point na talagang participate sila, especially sa Asia MTB Series. Kasi nga, one of our goal for Lexi, kasi yung junior, yung women junior is already part of the UCI events. So may ranking din siya. Actually, ang goal lang namin for this year for Lexi is to raise her world ranking. Maybe break into the top 50 ng world sa junior. Currently, she's ranked number 142 na siya. So from 200 plus, she won yung Thailand in January, Thailand Cup. Then she won yung sa sa Pasig. Then she won yung Dumaguete din. So tatlo na yung UCI niya. So biglang umakyat yung yung world ranking into 142. Next month, which is May, the third leg would be in Japan. So we have submitted our application for visa, hopefully ma-approve, and then we will participate doon po sa Japan. Doon malaki po yung points. I think kasi part siya ng World Junior Series. So if she wins there, she will get around maybe 80-90 points. And winning 80 to 90 points will catapult Lexi into the top 100 kagad. Top 100, I'm sure, based on estimate ko, she can sa 90 points, she can enter the top 100. Then we have the upcoming nationals sa July. Mataas din yung points nun eh. So, and of course, marami pang iba. We are also joining the one in Japan on October, yung finals ng Asian MTB Series. She needs to join that kasi para makuha din niya yung overall champion ng Asia MTB Series, because you need to be in Japan in the final leg para makuha mo yung Asia MTB Series. Yes.
Medyo busy talaga si Lexi at si Aries ngayong taon mo.
Yeah, si Aries hindi pa busy kasi nasa youth pa siya.
Okay.
So, but kung may event na may youth, then sali siya. Because she's only 13 years old. Okay. Very particular ako sa age niya kasi para hindi siya ma-burnout ever since kasi naka-program yan sila. So, hindi namin pinupush si Aries so much in terms of sa training saka sa schedule because she's only 13. We are after also na makuha niya yung, number one, yung growth potential niya. To the point nga bigla siya nag-surge ng growth niya ngayon. Kasi pag ma-overtrain yung mga youth, they will be prone to injury and then ma-burnout din sila. So, very particular kami sa youth. So, ngayon si Lexi, nag-junior na siya. She's already 16. Then, medyo nagiging aggressive na kami ngayon konti sa kanya sa racing. Pero hindi pa siya talagang full schedule. Kasi hindi pa siya yung, as a 16-year-old, hindi pa full develop yung katawan nila. Their lungs haven't fully developed yet. So, hindi mo pa siya pwedeng ma-push really like hard like an elite. Opo. Pag mag-18 si Lexi, then medyo i-up namin konti yung niya. Para hindi rin maapektuhan yung, let's say, yung longevity niya, yung katawan niya in the long run. Kasi it's a long career. Hindi mo pwede ubusin kagad baka ma-burnout yung katawan niya during the first early junior years, which is sanay na po kasi ako to train kids eh. I did that with my first daughter. So na yan, kumbaga yung sa kanila medyo may program na kami talaga.
Good vibes, summer shining bright. Good vibes, dancing through the night.
Message for the success of the first My Club. And ano pang mga posibleng mangyari dito sa Cagayan de Oro City?
Okay, thank you so much. And then sobrang especially me, sobrang very hopeful ako na maybe we can do our part kami as a family and our Coach D system to touch base with the cycling group here sa Cagayan de Oro since I'm already here almost weekly ako dito. Sooner or later, I will develop then a mountain bike course here. And then also maybe come up, actually hindi na siya maybe we're planning on a race dito sa barangay namin, sa barangay Dansolion. We will call it Dansolion Summit. It will be a marathon race kasi gusto ko, nag-usap kami ni Mike Clubs, marathon race muna para mas maraming sumali. Marami kasing natatakot kapag XCO kasi technical and everything. So we want to start modest. We'll do muna a marathon, finish mo nun, it will be already a great experience. So we are planning on a 60-kilometer Dansolion Summit first week of October. This will be in partnership with, of course, si Mike Clubs, and also sa inyo po, sa channel nyo, Gun Rio channel, para po ma-promote natin yung mountain biking, ma-promote natin yung cross-country mountain biking, and of course, cycling in general.
I'm waking up to a brand new day, ready to chase the dreams that light my way. No more doubts, I'm feeling strong. In this journey I know I belong. Every step I take I'm closer to my goal. With every heartbeat I feel it in my soul. No looking back, just straight ahead. Believing in the words I've always said. Believe in your success, you'll find your way. With every challenge you'll seize the day. Hold on to your dreams, don't let them go.